Welcome to Lion Bytes. My name is Lion and today we're going to learn how to route multiple prefixes to the same route group. The primary goal here is to manage multiple instances of websites with just one codebase. Imagine you have an application that allows your users to create their own shop for selling goods. In this scenario, you'd want each shop to have personalized prefixes. One significant advantage of this business model is that you can roll out updates across all shops simultaneously without having to deploy the same code to multiple or n number of shops. After setting up our Laravel application, there are a few configurations we need to handle to make it work locally. First off, we need to specify the domains we'll be using along with the associated subdomains or prefixes. To do this, you'll have to navigate to the C, Windows, System32, Drivers, etc. folder, and you have to open the host files. Here you can define your domain name and also the subdomain names. You can also add multiple subdomain names. You will add shop1 and maybe the flower shop. After that, you have to save the file and you will need to copy the file and paste it and replace the file destination. The MVP of this tutorial will be the subdomain routing method. To achieve this, we will need to use the domain route. It's route domain. Here we define the subdomain variable, and now we will define the domain. Also, this is a group function, and in this group we will encapsulate a simple get route. To a controller that we do not have at the moment. So we will create a controller and in this controller we will create two functions. A simple index and another function that will be a subdomain function. Both of these functions will route to the same view. And as you can see in the welcome blade, I simply put a simple subdomain name and the domain name for us to see later on. And now here we can continue to define the route. And we will create another route. We simply copy this and paste it down, and this is for the index. And I will show it now. We will go to the folder where this project is, open the bash here, just go php artisan serve. We can go to lionbytes.com and we can see the domain name and subdomain. This is the subdomain, and we created two more, the flower shop. As you can see, we are now on flowers, and also the shop one. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys next time.